Okay, very quick review on Pythagoras. So in any right angle triangle, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Now I'll shorten right angle triangle to RAT or RAT because I get really tired of writing it out. So you'll see here we've got the first example, x is on the hypotenuse, so this is a really straightforward one. X squared equals 9 squared plus 5 squared, so that's equal to 106. So then you just take the square root, so x is equal to the square root of 106. Now you may be asked to give that in decimal form or to leave it as a surd. If you're asked to leave it as a surd, you just do what you normally do. If they say exact value, leave it as a surd. Okay. Second example. So here we're being asked to find a short side. So when we're asked to find the short side, it's pretty similar except you're minus. So x squared equals 12 squared minus 2 squared. For the love of God, always put the big number first. The amount of kids who tell me that they've done 2 squared minus 12 squared, and then when they do the square root, the calculator freaks out and so it must all be wrong. Big number first, guys. Okay? Just make your life easy. So that's equal to 140. So then you just take the square root, so x is equal to the square root of 140. And again, you can then simplify that. So 140, find your square numbers or type it into your calculator if you need it to a decimal. The interesting ones are ones like this. So they want you to find the slant height for this square pyramid. Okay, so if we have this pyramid, the important thing to realize is that what you have here on this part here is an isosceles triangle. So when you're asked to find the slant height, then they want you to find the perpendicular height down here. Okay, you're going to pretend I drew that in the right spot, by the way. And because it's an isosceles triangle, when you draw that slant height, it cuts this one here in half. So instead of there being 9 centimeters, what you're going to have is a right angle triangle, and the hypotenuse is going to be 17, and the base is going to be 4.5, and your right angle is going to be just there. So once you've got your right angle triangle, it should be good to go. So x squared, we're trying to find a short one, so it's going to be 17 squared minus 4.5 squared. So this is one for you to finish off, just so I can double check whether or not you've been watching the actual videos. So have a go at exercise 4.6.